Awesome friends, today we will discuss about fonts in latex. What is the role of fonts in latex? Two important aspects of selecting a font are specifying a size and a style. The latex commands for doing this are described here. Font style, select Roman, italics, etc. And font sizes. Select font size, low level font command, select encoding, family, series, shape. First of all, we will discuss about font styles. The following type style commands are supported by LaTeX. The first group of commands is typically used with an argument as and backslash text stated of text in the table below. The corresponding command in parentheses is the declaration form, which takes no argument, as in bracket start backslash it shape text. The scope of declaration form lasts until the next type style command or the end of the current group. These commands in both argument form and the declaration form are cumulative, e.g. you can say either S SF family, BF series or BF series and SF family to get bold sans serif. You can alternatively use an environment form of the declaration, for instance, begun TT family and into end TT family. These font switching commands automatically insert italic or in corrections if needed. Specifically, they insert the italic correction unless the following character is in the list backslash and core list, which by default consists of a period and a comma. To suppress the amount automatic insertion of italic correction, use backslash and no core at the start or end of the command argument, such as backslash text it of bracket start backslash no core text or text sc text backslash no core backslash text rm of rm family Roman text at it shape italics text md series medium weight default text bf series boldface text up shape upright default text sl backslash sl shape slanted text sf family sans serif text sc shape small caps text tt family typewriter text normal font medium main document font. Although it also changes fonts, backslash emph of text command is semantic for text to be emphasized and should not be used as a substitute for text it. For example, backslash emph of start text, emph middle text, and text will start in the start next and the text in italics, but middle text will be in Roman. LaTeX also provides the following commands which unconditionally switch to the given style, that is, are not cumulative. Also, they are used differently than the above commands. Backslash cmd dot instead of backslash cmd of brackets dot. These are two unrelated constructs. Backslash bf switch to boldface, backslash cal switch to calligraphic letters for math, backslash it italics, rm roman, sf small caps, sf sans serif, sl slanted oblique, tt typewriter mono space fixed width. The em command is the unconditional version of emph. Some people consider the unconditional font switching commands such as backslash tt obsolete, and that only the cumulative commands of text tt should be used. Others think that both sets of commands have their place, and sometimes an unconditional font switch is precisely what you want. The following commands are for use in math mode. They are not cumulative. So backslash math bf of bracket start backslash math it of symbol brackets and does not create a boldface and italic symbol. Instead it will be just be italics. This is because typically math symbols need constant typographic treatment regardless of the surrounding environment. Backslash math rm Roman for using math mode. Math BF boldface for using math mode. Math SF sans serif for using math mode. Math TT typewriter for using math mode. Math it of backslash mit italics for using math mode. Math normal for using math mode. EG inside another type style decoration. Math call calligraphic letters for using math mode. In addition, the command backslash math version of bold can be used for switching to bold letters and symbols in formulas. Backslash math version of normal restores the default. Finally, the command old style nums of numberless will typest so-called old style numberless which have differing heights and depths and sometimes width from the standard lining numberless which have all the same height as uppercase letters. Latex default fonts support this and will respect text BF but not other styles. Here there are no italic old style numberless in computer modern. Many other fonts have old style numberless also. Sometimes the text comp package must be loaded and sometimes package options are provided to make them the default. Font sizes. Now we'll discuss about font sizes. The following standard type size commands are supported by LaTeX. The table shows the command name and the corresponding actual size used in points with the 10, 11 font document size option respectively. Command 10pt, 11pt and 12pt tiny script size, font sizes, small, normal, normalized, default, large, huge. Now we will go to the latex and here these are commands. Tiny, if we write here kk and also here kk, any number you can put here kk and and compile it and install the package. Just wait, you can see them, their shape and their size, you can see that. We will the commands are listed here are declaration forms. The scope of declaration form lasts until the next type style command or end of the current group. You can also use the environment form for these commands, for instance beginning and ending. Low level font commands. Now we will discuss about the low level font commands. These commands are primarily intended for writers of macros and packages. The command listed here are only a subset of the available ones. Font encoding of encoding. Select the font encoding. The encoding of the output font. There are large number of valid encoding. The most common are OT1 Kunitz original encoding for computer modern, the faulty one also known as the core encoding which has supported for the and scented characters used by the most widespread European language, German, French, Italian, Polish, and others, which allows text latex to hyphenate words containing accented letters. Found family of family. Here are examples of some common families: PEG, Event Grade, FVS, Bitstream, Verasans, and PBK, Bookman, PCH, Crack Charter, CCR, Computer Concrete, CMR, Computer Modern, PCR, Courier, PHV, Helvetica, and FI4, Inconsolita, LMR, Latin Modern, LMSS, Latin Modern Sans, LMTT, Latin Modern Typewriter, PNC, New Century Schoolbook, PPL, Palatino, PTM, Times, UNCL, Uncial, and Port Autopia, PZC, Zephs, Chancery. Font size of size. Select the font series of series. Select the font series. A series combines a weight and a width. Typically, a font supported only a few of possible combinations. Some common combined series values include M medium normal, B bold, C condensed, BC bold, condensed, BX bold, extended, and the possible values of weight individually are UL ultra weight, EL extra weight, L light, SL semi light, and medium normal, SP semi bold, B bold, EB extra bold, UB ultra bold. The possible values for weight individually are the percentage or just guides and are not followed precisely by all fonts. UC ultra condensed 50%, EC extra condensed 62.5%, C condensed 75%, SC semi condensed 87.5%, M medium 100%, SX semi expanded 111.5%, X expanded 125%, EX extra expanded 150%, UX ultra expanded 200%. When forming the series string from the weight and width, drop the M that stands for medium width and medium width unless both width and width are M, in which case use just one of M font shape. Set font shape village space are N upright normal, italic, SL slanted, oblique, SC small caps, UI upright, italics, oval outline. The two last shapes are not available for most font families, and small caps are often missing as well. Font size and scale. Set the font size and the line spacing. The unit of both parameters default to points of pt. The line spacing is the nominal vertical space between lines, baseline to baseline. It is stored in the parameter baseline scape. The default baseline scape for computer modern typeface is 1.2 times the type size. Changing baseline scape directly is indivisible since its value is reset every time a size change happens. See baseline stretch next. Baseline stretch latex multiplies the line spacing by the value of the line stretch parameter. The default factor is 1. A change takes effect when select font see below is called. You can make line skip changes happen for entire document by doing renew command of baseline stretch of 2 in the preamble. However, the best way to double space a document is to use set space package. In addition to offering a number of spacing options, this package keeps the line spacing single spaced in places where they typically desirable, such as footnotes and figure of captions. See the package documentation. Line spread of factor equivalent to renew command bracket start, baseline, stretch, bracket end, bracket start factor, and therefore must be followed by the select font to have any effect. Best specified in this preamble are used set space package as just described. Select font. These effects of font commands described above do not happen until select font is called is in backslash font family bracket start family name backslash select font. It is often useful to put in this is in the macro backslash new command start or bracket start my font bracket end bracket start my font family bracket and bracket start family name bracket and select font backslash use font of enc bracket end bracket start family bracket end bracket start series bracket start shape. This the same as invoking font encoding font family font series and font shape with the given parameters followed by select font. For example, use font bracket start ot1 bracket start cmr bracket start m and bracket n. Friends, thanks for listening to me and please subscribe my channel. Have a good day.